Welcome to my channel Grace and Glam, and I wish you all a very happy World Rose Day. So you could be wondering what is World Rose Day. So let me tell you what is it. So World Rose Day is actually an observance, and it is an observance to initiate, or it is an observance to make the cancer patients aware about this disease and to support them in a way that they can face this deadly disease with strong willpower and spirit. And World Rose Day is celebrated every year on this particular date, which is 22nd of September. And this is a day which is actually observed in the memory of 12-year-old Melinda Rose. So she was from Canada, and she was diagnosed or detected with Askins tumor, a rare blood cancer. For people who may not be aware how cancer works in the body, well, cancer is the abnormal cellular growth in the body which has the potential to spread across other parts of the body. So this is how it starts affecting the body in a very negative way. These days in medical field, although we see that cancer is not an incurable disease, but it can be really fatal if not diagnosed, or if not detected at the earlier stages. Well, and let me tell you also the leading cause of spreading cancer. The leading cause of spreading cancer is tobacco, because most of the people we see, or most of the youth we see, they are very much into smoking and consuming tobacco. And apart from tobacco, the other reasons are poor diet, alcohol, lack of physical activity. These are the also factors which contribute to this deadly disease. World Cancer Day is celebrated, or it's observed on 4th of February, but then World Rose Day is actually observed today, that is 22nd of September, to create an awareness for the cancer patients so that they get a ray of hope. Alertness about cancer is not only important to support the cancer patients, but it is also important to prevent this disease. And there are a lot of programs, there are a lot of awareness programs on the Rose Day, which are also actually devised for normal people to be aware of the importance of Rose Day and to be cautious about cancer. So let's all join our hands and let's be cautious. Stay happy, stay cautious.